Database and GUI programming. An introduction to relational database. Relational database is a database where your data is arranged in rows and columns in a table. Python has an inbuilt relational database managing system, that is SQLite. So for that, we have to do is import the SQLite module. Import the SQLite module in the program and connect to it using a few steps, and you have your database ready. I'll demonstrate how to make a database connection in Python using SQLite. You don't need to have any additional modules or any additional methods for this. It's very simple. So for that, first we just import SQLite tree, and then we create a variable, we create a connection and we save it in the variable connection, conn. So for creating the connection, we write SQLite tree dot connect, and then within the brackets we write the database name. Now if you have an existing database, you can give the path over here, or you can make a new database by just writing a name .db. So I've written mydb.db, and if this database does not exist, it will Python will create a new database. Next we'll create a cursor. So the cursor enables us to traverse through the records in a database table. It basically functions as a pointer to the records in the database table. When we execute statements, database statements, it basically points to the rows that satisfy those statements. So we create cursor, so we write the variable curs and is equal to conn connection that we have created dot cursor. And now we can write any query by writing curs dot execute. Now in the brackets we write in quotes whatever the statement is that we want to query, whatever the query is to the database. So we can write select star from whatever table we want, or we can create a table. So like that we can just keep querying, and we're just writing cursor dot execute, and within the string we can write the query. Or we can also create a variable and save that a string variable, and then we could give that variable as a parameter for the cursor dot execute. Now to see where the database is saved, you can go where your Python file is saved, and there you will see that it is saved in this .db extension. So you see I have already one existing db person.db, and the one I just created mydb.db. So this is how Python database is created and connected to using SQLite in Python.